2 for $7. Every day, Arby's crispy classic chicken sandwich. 2 of those things for just $7. Arby's, we have the meat.
He doesn't believe in magic, but on Sundays, Joseph flies. This is Joseph Newgarden. Welcome to the fastest racing on Earth.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department and the United States government. As of 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, all of the television screens, including shopping centers, train stations, airports, and other public establishments, has suffered one with a strange message saying that the Trollge will be released in a number of days to kill us all. So look for refuge immediately, or the day of the release will be the end. However, the local authorities in the area, including the whole country, were unable to locate the source of the transmission. It has also been reported that some parts of Canada and Mexico has also received that message, but all 50 states of the United States has also suffered a strange message. Despite the strange event, we have to stay calm and to not do something crazy because it could be a joke in a bad taste. Please stay tuned to local news stations and internet sources on this developing situation.
Grubhub Perks give you deals on the food you love. The kind of deals that make your boogie. Get the food you love with Perks from Grubhub. Grub what you love.
Make me snacks for the ball game.
Make me a chili snack.
Buy me some brisket and queso too.
Oh, and get enough for the whole crew.
Let me flip all these burgers
And poppers grilled by the flame.
For it's 1,
2,
3 dips, you're set
to win the snack game. We should totally start a boy band.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A few days ago, a strange and highly worrying message had been transmitted about the Trollge, who says that he will arrive within a number of days to show himself, and that he is going to kill us all. Approximately a few minutes ago, all the screens reproduced the transmission with the same message, only that in 2 days he will be shown. Unfortunately, the efforts to locate the origin have been in vain, and with the acts of vandalism, assaults, murders from third parties to suicides, it is clear that this is something serious, so seek shelter in the area close to you and take all your essential items with you. Stay calm, and not do anything crazy as you may put your life at risk. From this moment on, normal programming will be suspended, and only information or updates of the situation will be shown. Stay tuned to local news stations and government sites on this potentially dangerous situation.
There is not much time left. It is not confirmed that your death will be quick and painless. It is recommended to end yourself before he toys with you. It is officially too late to seek shelter. Anyone out there, make as few noise as possible. I need to hear their sound. This is the last warning. If confronted, kill yourself immediately. stand by. All normal programming has been discontinued in order to transmit this emergency action notification message. A designated message will be speaking on the air shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A national emergency has now been declared for the entire continental of the United States due to an ongoing dangerous situation. At 5:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the entity, also known as the Trollge, has been released from his cell in an undisclosed location. He has been causing catastrophic damage across the United States as we speak. Just little to no hesitation with grabbing one of his victims and strangles them to death before moving on to the next. Military forces are trying their best in order to apprehend or kill the entity, but with little to no success. All residents within the United States, no matter where you are ordered to seek a fallout or an underground shelter immediately. Refusing to seek shelter will result in certain death. Gather food, water, medical supplies that will last up to 2 weeks, clean clothes, and a battery-powered radio. And if anything is necessary, grab a weapon of your choice. Once you enter your shelter, do not exit at all times unless told to do so. The President of the United States, alongside with his family and the representative, is currently in an undisclosed location due to this crisis. If you ever caught eye with the Trollge, stay quiet, he will.
Sure, nothing now. Let me get off my head. Slopes on Mr. Zoot. Never slips, let's nice and rear off my herd. Well. lawyers and airport. That's the best use so that you pass it. And around was not also. Yeah.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please wait for an emergency action termination message from the White House. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Good evening, my citizens of the United States. It has come to my attention to give you a special message from myself. 2 weeks ago, our nation was under attack by an unidentified figure known as the Troll Face, which caused the entire country to panic, resulting in protests, looting, and more deaths. The good news is that the Troll Face has disappeared from his will, and the threat to civilian life is over. However, we would like to express our deepest sorrow and condolences to half of the population that died during this crisis. This is not the end of our country. We will rise and prevail, united as a nation and as part of the planet. Local authorities will be present to help with recovery efforts. Cybersecurity experts are now working further into this incident. Citizens may now exit their shelters and resume normal activities with caution, and are instructed to follow any guidance from local authorities. This concludes my message. We would like to thank you for your cooperation. May God bless you, and God bless America.
That is the message from the White House. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall return to the regular schedule program.
And Doug.
You'll be back! Emus can't help people customize and save hundreds on car insurance with Liberty Mutual. You're just a flightless bird!
No, he's a dreamer, Frank.
And Doug.
Well, I'll be. That bird really did it.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.